A website used to cost thousands of dollars to build. You needed a developer, a designer, weeks of back and forth, and a budget most people simply do not have. That is over. AI tools can now build you a complete professional website in under an hour, for free, with zero coding knowledge required. I am going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Welcome to AIplified. Let's build your website. First, let me show you the 3 AI tools that make this possible, all of them free, all of them requiring zero technical skills. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is where your website starts, because before any building happens, you need a clear plan. Open ChatGPT and say this exactly. I want to build a website for a small business selling my product or service. Give me a complete website structure including page names, what each page should contain, and what the main message of the site should be. ChatGPT will give you a complete website blueprint in under 30 seconds. This is your foundation for everything that follows. Tool number 2 is Framer or Wix AI. Both of these tools use AI to build websites automatically from a simple description. In Framer, go to framer.com, click Start for free, and describe your website in plain English. Framer's AI generates a complete designed website instantly. In Wix, go to wix.com, click Create New Site, choose the AI Website Builder option, answer a few questions about your business, and Wix AI builds your entire site automatically. Both are free to start, both produce professional results, and both require zero design skills. Tool number 3 is ChatGPT again, this time for all your website words. Once your website structure is built, you need the words to fill it. Go back to ChatGPT and say, write the homepage text for my website. My business is X, my target customer is Y, my main message is Z. Make it professional, clear, and compelling, under 200 words. Do this for every page. About page, services page, contact page, all of it. ChatGPT writes it all, and you paste it in. Now let me walk you through the complete process step by step. Step 1. Define your website goal. Before touching any tool, ask ChatGPT this question. What is the single most important thing my website should make a visitor do? The answer to that question is your entire website strategy, and everything on your site should lead to that one action. Step 2. Generate your structure. Use the ChatGPT prompt I gave you to create your full website blueprint and copy it somewhere safe because you will refer back to it throughout the build. Step 3. Build in Framer or Wix. Go to framer.com or wix.com. Start with the AI builder. Describe your business in 2 sentences and let the AI generate your first version. This takes about 5 minutes, and what you get will not be perfect yet, but it will be a real website with real pages that you can edit. Step 4. Replace the placeholder text with your ChatGPT copy. Go page by page, delete the placeholder text the AI generated, and paste in the copy ChatGPT wrote for you. This is the step that transforms a generic AI website into your website. Your words, your message, your business. Step 5. Add your images. Go to pexels.com or unsplash.com, both completely free. Search for images relevant to your business, download them, and upload them to replace the placeholder images in your site. Step 6. Publish. Both Framer and Wix let you publish your website instantly on a free subdomain, meaning your site is live on the internet for free within the same day you started. If you want a custom domain name like yourbusiness.com, that costs approximately $10 to $15 per year through a domain provider, but you do not need it to get started. That is it. A complete professional website built with AI in under an hour, no developer, no designer, no coding, no large budget. The businesses that used to need thousands of dollars and weeks of waiting to get online can now do it themselves in a single afternoon. If this helped you, subscribe to AIplified. Every week I show you exactly how to use AI tools to do things that used to require expensive professionals. Next week, I am breaking down the best AI tools for managing your money and finances. Real tools that give you insights your bank never will. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next week.